Hello friends, welcome again. Today I am going to do an experiment with China rose indicator to show which colors come. So I have taken China rose, a soap solution and lemon juice and a container for the China rose water. So let's boil it first. So it has started boiling. You can see that the color of the water is becoming like a violet. Now let the flower be put out of the water. You can see the color of the water. Now I am going to pour this water in this container. So it is filled. You can see that I have taken the China rose boiled water into containers, and here is the soap solution and the lemon juice that I have told you earlier also. Now let's start our experiment. So firstly I am pouring this soap solution on this container. Let's see what happens. You can see that a green color had come in this container. So when we add base with this China rose indicator, it turns into green. Let's do another experiment. I will pour this lemon juice into this container. Can you observe? The color is getting like a orange pink. This is because China rose indicator acts with the acid and it gets orange light color. So hope you like this video and it is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like, comment, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon and set it to all. Okay, thank you.